using a 4-weight yarn, and the recommended crochet hook is 5.5 for all the yarns. And we start with a slip knot here. Insert your hook through it and chain 4. Now go back to the first chain, draw a loop and close that ring. Slip stitch through your stitch on your hook, and then you have now a ring where we're gonna be working our double crochets. So chain 2, and inside the ring crochet 17 double crochets. We do count the first chain as a double crochet, so we technically have 18 double crochets in that first row. You can hide your tail inside your ring here, so you don't have to weave anything when you're done. Move your stitches if you think you don't have enough space. Now let's count. I need to make 4 more. All right. So we're gonna go back at the top of the chain right here, and we'll do a slip stitch, and then we'll go into that first stitch and we'll do 1 more slip stitch there as well. And now we'll use this stitch to chain 1, and in the same stitch we'll do a single crochet, half double crochet, and a single crochet. All these 3 stitches are in that first stitch. This will be the little corner of our hexagon. So we are creating those 6 corners here. Then in the next stitch we'll have a single crochet. In the next stitch we'll have 1 more single crochet. And then we are doing a little corner again. So we'll have a single crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the same stitch, and a single crochet into the same stitch. And here we have the second corner, and we'll repeat that for a total of 6 corners since we are doing a hexagon. And then again we'll repeat. We'll have a single crochet into the next stitch, a single crochet into the next stitch. So between each corner we'll have 2 single crochets, and then we'll have a corner. We have a single crochet here, half double, and a single into the same one, and then we have 2 single crochets into the next 2 stitches, and then we have a corner which actually has 3 stitches, a single, half double, and a single, and then 2 single crochets again, and then we have a single, half double, and a single, 2 stitches, 2 singles into the next 2 stitches, and then we have a corner again, single, half double, single, and then we have 2 single crochets before we close the row. And now we're gonna go back into that stitch we did, that chain, and we do a slip stitch. We keep our loop a little bit longer since we'll be using that tail. My hot pad turned out to be 7 inches wide to about 6 inches, 6.5 inches almost. The shorter side is about 5. I made my prototype with acrylic yarn, but for kitchen items, if you're going to be using them, you're going to have to use 100% cotton. But if you want to make it only for decoration, you can definitely use acrylic. And once you're done with crocheting your piece, you'll move your yarn to the corner of your half double crochet, and then you'll find your half double crochet from the opposite piece. We'll put them back to back and we'll go through that stitch here. So we'll be grabbing the back loops of both sides, their corresponding stitches, till we reach that half double crochet stitch, and we'll stop there so we can connect to the next side. So you can grow your piece bigger, or you can stop here. You can make them different shapes and sizes. And if you use thinner yarn, you'll have a smaller piece. If you have thicker yarn, you'll have a bigger piece. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.